Imagine flying a drone that captures everything around you. No missed angles, no ruined framing, just pure freedom. That's exactly what the upcoming DJI Avata 360 promises to deliver. And right now, the drone community is buzzing. This isn't just another FPV drone. It's rumored to combine the speed and agility of a Cinewhoop with full 360-degree spherical video capture. Let's break down everything we know in under 3 minutes. First, release timing. Multiple trusted sources suggest a March 2026 announcement. While early rumors pointed to February, newer leaks say DJI pushed it slightly to finalize software and testing. Here's the big confirmation. The drone reportedly cleared FCC registration back in December 2025. That's a major signal the launch is imminent. Even more exciting? A hidden 16-second instructional clip was discovered inside DJI goggles beta software, showing battery installation and activation steps. That means beta units are already out in the wild. Now let's talk specs, because this is where things get crazy. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a dual-lens hybrid camera system with dual 1/1-inch CMOS sensors. We're talking 8K video at 60 frames per second. HDR, full 360-degree spherical capture. But here's the twist. It may include a rotating gimbal module that lets you switch between full 360 mode and standard forward-facing FPV mode. So you get immersive spherical video, or classic cinematic FPV, in the same drone. Design-wise, leaks suggest a sleek gray frame with full spherical propeller guards for safer indoor flying. It may use new 4-blade propellers for increased stability and smoother footage. Now let's talk safety. Rumors point to 4 to 6 obstacle sensors, and possibly lidar support for true omnidirectional sensing. That means the drone could detect obstacles in every direction, a massive upgrade over previous models like the DJI Avata 2. Battery life? Expect around 23 to 32 minutes per charge, powered by a 38.67 watt-hours battery, roughly 22% more capacity than before. Weight may increase slightly to around 450 grams due to the 360 camera hardware. Now pricing, and this is aggressive. Leaked estimates suggest drone-only package around $499. Standard combo with controller around $699. Fly More combo around $999. Goggles N3 combo around $1,200. This positions it directly against 360 competitors while adding FPV power. Transmission is expected to use DJI's O4 system for low latency and long-range reliability. Compatibility should include DJI Goggles N3, Goggles 3, RC2, RCN3, and RC Motion 3 controllers. So what does this all mean? If these leaks are accurate, DJI is about to redefine aerial content creation. Instead of worrying about framing mid-flight, you just fly, and choose your perfect angle later. FPV speed, 360 creativity, advanced obstacle sensing. This could be the most versatile drone DJI has ever made. Are you excited for the Avata 360? Because March might change everything. Subscribe for updates. This launch is going to be huge.